Let's get ready to print also more difficult materials. Ever dreamed to print your own shoes or shoes for friends? Visible hygrometers are really helpful, and with the Maker's Lab, also a nice try to print on your own. Just select the model you like, import it to Bambu Lab Studio. As soon as you are happy, you can slice the plate, and then can check all the details about printing. Operating with the different parameters you can learn in some of our other tutorials. After filling up with Silica, the success rate is really big, and the difference in humidity gets directly visible. Now we just need to translate this into success on our future printing projects.